Hey beauties, and welcome back to I Am Beautiful Hustler TV. Today we are back with another video, and today's video is provided by Yolissa hair. Now they sent me over this 13x4 HD lace frontal wig, and it is a 200% density and it is 26 inches long. Okay, now this wig does come with goodies such as the bag, edge brush, caps, the melt band, and of course the informational card on how to take care of your hair, and of course you get the wig itself. Now what I love the most about this wig, not only was it super full and long and HD lace, the knots already came pre-bleached and the hairline already came pre-plucked, so I didn't have to do neither one of those steps. All I had to do was go ahead and install the wig. And since it's been a little minute since I've done a no baby hair install, I'm going to do a no baby hair natural hairline with a natural face because I'm not doing any makeup today. So we're just going to keep it nice, simple, and natural. Okay, so for starters, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Ruby Kisses foundation and just apply that foundation on the inside of the lace. And I'm only going to use 2 layers of my strawberry scented adhesive for my install today, just a little light hold. And by the way, if you have not head over to the site yet, we did restock on all size glues, regular and strawberry scented. So make sure you guys go ahead and make your purchase using the link down below on my website. And we also do have melt belts, baby hair gel, all the other products as well. So make sure you do head to my site and shop with your girl. Okay, so now that I went ahead and added that Ruby Kisses foundation, I'm going to apply my 2 layers, and once I apply the 2 layers, I will go ahead and begin to tack down the wig. And once again, y'all, because this is a no baby hair install, this video will be very quick, simple, and straight to the point.
Not shine, bitch.
And now that the glue is dry, I'm going to go ahead and start by laying my wig down in the center, then work my way on the sides. Then I'm going to take my rat tail comb and just comb that glue, comb that lace right into that glue to ensure we get the nice perfect melt, and then tie it down using the Yolissa's hairband. go ahead and take the eyebrow razor and razor off all of that extra lace. But do you guys see how natural this lace is looking? Okay, like today the word of the day is going to be natural. Everything is going to be natural. Natural face, natural wig install, no baby hairs. But let's get a quick little pause on how natural and melted this hairline is. Super natural looking. Okay, it's definitely giving what lace. All right, but now we're going to take that adhesive and just slide the glue under those little places, and then I'm going to repeat the same steps to the other side. Cut the lace, apply the glue, and finish melting it all the way in for the most super natural looking hairline ever, period.
Not shine, bitch.
If you guys notice, I have not used any wax stick or no other products in this install today. I'm only using holding spray and just hot combing the hair in its natural state. I wanted to make this as simple and as easy as possible, even if you don't have all of the products that you need for your install. With this wig being a very good quality, you are able to achieve super natural results without having to do too much, especially because the lace is really good and also the hair is super soft. So I will not be using any wax stick or anything else for my install today, but I am going to chop down the side area a little bit for my sideburns to make it a little more natural, just like a natural shorter sideburn. And I'm going to take the hot comb and go section by section on that other side just to ensure that the wig is laying nice and flat, and we will chop the sideburn down on the other side as well.
Not shine, bitch.
And now that I am done hot combing all of that, I will go in with my Sebastian's holding spray spray and just spray the hairline down and tie it down once more again, just by, tying it down and then hot combing the hair some more, applying a little holding spray, just to make sure it's still nice and neat. And once I do that, I will also go ahead and conceal up the part, and that will pretty much just sum up this install. I wanted to do a very natural look, no baby hairs look, just getting straight to the point. Very soft and very natural. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and stay tuned for the finishing results.
Not shine, bitch.
And I went ahead and concealed up that part, and this is what the hairline is looking like. It is super natural. The hair is super soft, nice and fluffy, and I'm just going to give you guys a nice little zoom period coming straight out of the scalp as it should. And here is the finishing look. I kept in the natural timing so you guys can see this wig is super full, as I mentioned, 200% density, super quick and easy, natural, no baby hair install. And make sure you guys check out the description details down below on where to purchase this wig, and don't forget to use the coupon codes, as well as like, comment, and subscribe to the video. Thank y'all for watching, and see you next time.